Hey everybody, Wednesday, April 5th, 2023, your fellow AutoCAD LT user here. AutoCAD LT 2024 was released about a week ago, and one thing that I noticed about arc-aligned text, the text that you wrap around a circular object, is that unlike linear text, you can't go into the properties window, look for the drop-down, and justify left, justify center from there. It doesn't exist. And since arc-aligned text is automatically defaulted to the left, you can go in and play with the numbers, but who wants to sit and play with numbers all day? So you can go to the ribbon. There is a justify function there. Unfortunately, if you try to use that function, the interface is going to ask you, okay, select your text that you want to change. And the interface is going to say, I don't know what you're talking about. It's going to stare at you and hope that you go away. So from what I can tell, your only alternative is to reinstate the command, arctext, enter, select. I don't know why you can select that way and not for the ribbon. And then just use the center button from there. Easy peasy. Why didn't I do that the first time? Well, sometimes I have the attention span of a goldfish and I miss it. What are you going to do? So hopefully this will help someone else out there. Have a good day.